In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for email list subscribers in Kit. Kit is the new name for what used to be called ConvertKit, so if your dashboard looks a little different from older tutorials, don't worry, you're in the right place. First, make sure you're logged into your Kit account and you're looking at the main dashboard. At the very top of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. In that bar, look for the option labeled Grow. This is where Kit keeps everything related to your audience and how it's growing over time. Go ahead and click on Grow. Once you're inside the Grow section, you'll see several options, but the one we're interested in is Subscribers. Click on Subscribers. This takes you to the central hub for your email list. Think of this page as your master list of everyone who's currently active and subscribed to your emails. On this main subscribers page, the table you see is showing all of your active subscribers by default. You can scroll through this list to get a quick overview of who's on your list, when they joined, and in many cases, how engaged they are. This is a great place to get a feel for the size and general health of your audience. If you're looking for a specific person, instead of scrolling endlessly, use the search bar at the top of the list. Click into the search field and start typing their email address or their name. As you type, Kit will filter the results so you can quickly confirm whether that person is on your list, and if they are, you can click into their profile for more details. Now, if you're interested in viewing subscribers in groups, rather than one giant list, look over to the right-hand sidebar. Here you'll see your tags and segments. Tags are usually used to label subscribers based on interests or actions they've taken, and segments are saved filters that bundle subscribers together based on rules you've set. To see everyone in one of these groups, simply click on any tag or segment in that sidebar. The main list will update to show only the subscribers who match that tag or segment, which is really helpful if you want to check who's in a particular audience slice before sending a targeted email. And that's all there is to it. By using the Grow menu, the subscribers page, the search bar, and your tags and segments, you can quickly and confidently check who's on your email list in Kit.